Central Florida citrus growers say they are still trying to get back on their feet. Hurricane Ian stripped them of most of their crops, and now they're calling on federal lawmakers to do something. News Channel 8's Stacey DeSilva joins us live from Highlands County with the story. Stacey.
Jen, over the course of about 90 minutes this afternoon, inside this building, Senator Rick Scott and Congressman Scott Franklin heard from citrus growers and advocates about why they need quicker access to federal aid. We went to a grove today to hear from one of them directly.
This is a sign of hope.
Trevor Murphy sees promise in a pod of future oranges, something he did not see after Hurricane Ian.
A lot of these trees had 1,000 pieces of oranges that were green or breaking color and orange, just scattered, littered throughout the whole tree.
He owns 3,000 acres in several counties in Florida's citrus belt. Some groves lost everything to the hurricane.
We still are short after the crop insurance. We received probably 30 to 40% of our normal intake of revenue, and these federal aid monies would help us recapture not 100% of where we would have been, but getting us close to that.
Senator Rick Scott and Congressman Scott Franklin are sponsoring a bill to improve the ag industry's access to disaster relief funding passed in Congress last year.
The government agencies really control everything, and they're the ones that want to dictate how the spending decisions are made.
In Lake Placid Tuesday, the lawmakers heard from Trevor Murphy and other growers. Senator Scott says the federal government should get aid out faster to them.
They've got to spend their money to, get ready for the next season. And if they don't have the money, because the money is coming out so slow, because this has now been, 6 months since the hurricane, and they're not seeing any resources from the federal government.
So the Block Grant Assistance Act, both lawmakers are sponsoring, has to work its way through both chambers of Congress in committees. The Senate version was referred to a committee back in January. Reporting live in Highlands County, I'm Stacey DeSilva, 8 on your side.